Cube Entertainment and watching 3x3 example solve video 4. So let's get on to the video now. So I scramble the cube. So first thing to do is to bring all of the white edge pieces to the yellow side. So let's do that. So first let's see if there is any edge piece which can just move to the top layer yellow side in just one move. So this piece can go up in just one move. Let's see like that. Let's see another piece. This piece can also go up in just one more like that. This piece can go up, but this piece is already on its place. So if we move this piece up, this piece will get dismantled. So first we need to free this part with an unsolved edge. So we can free that spot with this edge. So we can move this edge to here and then bring it out to the top. So here is a edge piece in the third layer. So we should make it convenient for us. That means we should bring it to the second layer. So to do that, first we need to turn this layer one time like that to move it to the second layer, and then you can move it up. But when you move it up, it will get dismantled. So we should free the spot first. So this piece needs to go to here. So I move it and then bring it to the top. So the first part of the Y cross has been done. So now we should match a edge. So this piece is already matched. So I move it to the bottom layer by rotating the layer 2 times. So blue center piece, so I matched it with the edge and then I bring it to the bottom. So for green, let's see, I matched it with white and green edge piece and I move it to the bottom. And move the next piece, I matched it and move it to the bottom. So now the Y cross has been done. After the Y cross done, we need to solve all of the white corners. So here is a white corner on the top layer. So I should match it. So orange, blue and white matches it. Surrounds orange and blue. So after surrounds, you can do the right hand algorithm until the piece is on its place. So one time was enough to get this piece to the place. So let's look at another piece. So this piece has white on it and it's on the top layer. So I matched it. Green and orange, green and orange. So we should do the right angle until the piece faces down. Not there, not there, not there as well, not there, and now it's there. So let's go for next piece. So now there is no any corner piece on the top layer, so it's on the bottom layer. So first we should move it to the top. So you should face it on the bottom right and do the right hand algorithm. And now it's on top, so we should match it. It's already being matched, so we should do the right hand algorithm until the piece faces down. So now it's on the place. So now the white face has been done. And now we need to solve all of the second layer edge pieces. So first we need to see if there is any edge pieces without the yellow color. So this piece doesn't have yellow on it, so I matched it. This piece needs to go to the left, so I move to the right. Do the left hand algorithm first, rotate the cube and do the right hand algorithm. So let's look another piece. So now we have two edges flipped. So we can take this edge piece, so I can replace it with any other edge piece. So I'm going to replace it with this edge piece. This piece needs to go to the right, so I move to the left, do the right hand algorithm first, rotate the cube and do the left hand algorithm. So this piece is on its place and this piece I come out, so I matched it. This piece needs to go to the right, so I move to the left, do the right hand algorithm first, rotate the cube and do the left hand algorithm. This piece is also flipped, so I replace it with the edge. So this piece needs to go to the right, so I move to the left, do the right hand algorithm first, rotate the cube and do the left hand algorithm. Now this piece is on its place and this piece is come out, so I match it. This piece needs to come to the right, so I move to the left, do the right hand algorithm first, rotate the cube and do the left hand algorithm. Now the white face on the first layer has been done. So second layer has been done. And the next step is to fully solve the yellow cross. For that you may run into three cases. You will have a lion, 9 o'clock or a dog. So I got the 9 o'clock, so I do You should hold it like 9 o'clock and I do F, right hand angle then 2 times and do that front move. And now the white cross has been done. And next step is to solve all of the corners. So let's see. So this piece matches, this piece doesn't match, this piece matches, this piece doesn't match. So two of them are opposite to each other, diagonal. So you should hold it anywhere. Do the right hand angle then 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Rotate the cube and do the left hand angle then 3 times. Now two corners will be solved on the same side. So you hold it on the left, do the right hand algorithm 3 times, rotate the cube and do the left hand algorithm 3 times. Now all the corners will be solved. After that we need to solve all of the yellow corner pieces. So we should rotate the cube so that white is on the top and yellow is on the bottom, and also make sure that you can see a yellow corner piece on the bottom right here or here, and do the right hand angle until this piece faces down. So let's do not there, now is there, and then we should rotate the bottom layer until another piece is on the bottom right. Don't rotate the cube completely because that will dismantle all the pieces. So another piece is on its place. So bring another corner piece to the bottom right, do right hand angle until the piece is on its place. So it's on the place. So we should rotate until another piece is on the bottom right, do the same until the piece on its place. So if we did everything correctly, the yellow side should be solved and all of them should remain the same. And for the last step we may run into two cases. So you'll have one side solved and 3 edge pieces needs to be flipped, and no side solved and 4 edge pieces needs to be flipped. So I got one side solved case. So if hold it at the front, do the right hand algorithm 1 time, left hand algorithm 1 time, right hand algorithm 5 times, and left hand algorithm 5 times. So now your cube should be solved. Watching this video, special thanks for next video. Bye bye.